parents and beloved students. The closure of the first term exams marks the end of the initial half of the scholastic year and the beginning of the Diwali break. It is a sojourn that must needed and welcome for our busy bodies and restless souls. Without doubt of the first term in the school has been defined by a plethora of the programs and activities besides academics. The hallmark of a healthy teaching learning ambience in a new atmosphere. The joyous abandon of the children while at play or study, the renewed and the passionate commitment of the staff and the various stakeholders in our journey and the public recognition of our efforts at excellence are the indicative of a steady growth in the values and our mission. Everything around us is not perfect and we will never experience an ideal situation that we wish. At the world level, we have been experiencing the struggles on climate action, environment protection, political balance, and the pandemic COVID-19. I came across this beautiful reflection in my daily inspirational mail. At times, God puts us through the discipline of darkness to teach us to heed Him. Songbirds are taught to sing in the dark, and we are put into the shadow of God's hand until we learn to hear Him. Are you in the dark just now in your circumstances or in your life with God? When you are in the dark, listen, and God will give you a very precious message for someone else when you get into the light. I thought it is relevant to the situation and the festival that we soon going to celebrate, Diwali. It is a call not for passive acceptance to the bleak situation around us, but an invitation to be the perceptive listeners and doers of the divine will. It is a call to faith, trust and action. Above all, to find God. To quote again from the daily inspiration notes, who is God and how can we find Him? One answer to this question is that something of the light of God already lies deep in each of our hearts. At times, this is to be felt only in a deep longing for goodness, justice, purity, or faithfulness. But if such a longing turns to faith, we will win God. May we find the God, people, and Mother Earth in the festival of lights that we celebrate this Diwali. Happy Diwali, dear parents and my dear children. Thank you once again.
Happy Diwali, dear parents and dear students. Enjoy holidays. Stay safe. Take care.
May the festival of lights be the harbinger of joy and prosperity. As the holy occasion of Diwali is here and the atmosphere filled with the spirit of mirth and love. Here's hoping this festival of beauty brings your way bright sparkles of contentment that stay with you through the day ahead. Wishing our school community a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
May this illuminating Diwali lights surround you and your loved ones with happiness and positivity. Happy Diwali, stay safe, stay healthy.
Sky full of fireworks and air full of happiness. Wishing you all happy Diwali and prosperous New Year.
Dear children, wish you all a very happy, healthy and safe Diwali. This year has been a very tough year for all of us, but we have also learned a lot. Let us pray that this Diwali brings lots of hope and happiness for everyone. Happy Diwali!
सर्वांना दिवाळीच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. दिवाळी अगदी आनंदात साजरी करा. फटाके जास्त फोडू नका. पर्यावरण प्रदूषित करू नका. सुरक्षित दिवाळी, स्वस्थ दिवाळी.
Hello students, wish you all a very happy Diwali. Enjoy a lot and don't forget to eat lots of Diwali snacks and sweets. Bye.
Wishing all our dear parents and students a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May this Diwali bring happiness, joy and success in our lives.
With gleam of diyas, of echo of chants, may happiness and contentment fill your life. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali.
I wish all the students students, a very happy, healthy and safe Diwali.
Wish you a very happy, healthy and safe Diwali.
I wish all the students a happy, healthy and safe Diwali.
Friends, how are you? I hope you all of you good. So today I am wishing you happy Diwali. May the divine light of the Diwali spread into your life, peace, prosperity, happy health and good health. Again I am wishing you happy Diwali.
Wishing all the students and their families a very happy and safe Diwali. One said the Diwali, a bon année, au revoir.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are enjoying your Diwali vacation. May the lights of the Diwali lamp fill your life with happiness, success and joy. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. Stay home, stay safe, have fun, take care.
I wish all the students a very happy, healthy and safe Diwali.
Hello everyone, this is Divya Mewada, HR teacher of nursery, wishing you a very happy Diwali. May Goddess Lakshmi shower you with all that you have wished for. Have a happy, safe Diwali and a prosperous New Year.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली. सारे सितारे आपके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली. Let this Diwali burn all your bad times and enter you in good times. Happy Diwali.
Hello students, may the festival of light brighten up you and your near and dear ones' lives. And the coming year brings joy, happiness and peace in your life. Wish you and your family a very happy Diwali.
Dear parents and children, may millions of lamps illuminate your life with endless prosperity, health and wealth forever. Wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year.
Dear parents, dear children, इस दिवाली आप सभी को ढेरों खुशियाँ मिले और आपके घर में सुख समृद्धि और माँ लक्ष्मी का वास हो. हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हैप्पी दिवाली.
Hi children, your vacations have started. Enjoy your vacation. Have happy and safe Diwali. Bye.